Horry County. My name is Kendra, Coordinator of Recycling Programs for Horry County Solid Waste Authority, and welcome to this week's Wow Wednesday. Woo! We're so glad you're tuning in to help us protect tomorrow's environment today. And we are speaking about food waste. This is a partnership with South Carolina DHEC, and we are promoting composting and not throwing away food because it creates such a lot of volume in our landfill. So Don't Waste Food South Carolina is a collaborative outreach campaign that brings together shareholders from the public and private sectors dedicated to sharing knowledge, coordinating resources, and working together to reduce food waste in South Carolina. Each year, anywhere from 40% to nearly half the food waste of our nation's annual waste stream is discarded. That's an annual loss of $218 billion. All of this while 41 million Americans are food insecure or hungry. That makes me really sad. And it makes me think about how much food am I wasting at home? The food supply chain has experienced disruptions as a result of COVID-19. Surprise, surprise, along with everything else. The shift from eating in restaurants, cafeterias, and schools has caused a much greater demand for food in grocery stores. Many households are facing challenges in managing food at home and are looking for ways to reduce their waste. And here's one of them that we can do. Now more than ever, it is essential that we prevent food from being wasted. And we can do that by a couple of things that we can do that with. We can plan smart and shop smart. Food is the number one item we throw away, and 26.6% of food waste takes up our landfill in Horry County. So food waste prevention begins with planning and shopping smart. And here's some ideas, and we'll be able to download this from the Facebook page and our website at the end of this program. But check and see what you have first. Check your cupboards, check your fridge, check and see what you have, okay? And then plan your meals for the week based on those items that you already have. And make a list and buy only what you need for that. So if you make a list, stick to it. Don't go buying, some extra salt and vinegar potato chips because, they look good. So stick to the list. I've got to tell myself that. And then this is something neat that I just discovered recently. Understanding date labels. Who knew? If it smells bad and looks bad, don't eat it. But the only expiration date required by federal law is infant formula. I didn't know that. South Carolina requires quality date labels for eggs and shellfish. Other food date labels refer to quality, not food safety. I thought that was interesting. So just because the date says sell by or best by doesn't necessarily mean it's gone bad. So use your eyes and use your nose. And you want to practice smart storage. I thought this was cute. It says practice FIFO, first in, first out. When unpacking groceries, move older products to the front of your refrigerator, freezer, and pantry. Put new products in the back. Print and attach an Eat Soon label to a container as a reminder. They are available on the Don't Waste Food South Carolina website. Isn't that something? I have not yet done that, but it is definitely something I am going to look into, and I'll let you know how that goes. And as always, There's an app for that. There's an app for everything. Um, you can use the app to track your food, what you're wasting, what you're buying. Find the best app that fits your needs and your preferences. And then I also want to point out that we should always think about shopping local. So buying from, farmers markets and farm stands, provide, local and in-season produce. Those are things to think about. Not only are you're getting the freshest, produce just in season, but you're also helping that family of farmers. And then we already knew shop in bulk. The more you buy, the cheaper it is usually. But look for things with less packaging. You don't want to add to your trash pile either. So when you're doing your compost and being mindful of your food waste, think about that kind of thing too. And then it's also a cost savings. Everybody likes to save money. So if you're not throwing away as much food and you're not buying as much food, then you're saving some money. That's just kind of common sense. And then bring your own bags to the store. Plastic bags are just a real nuisance and they fly everywhere. And we've talked about it, I know, a lot of times on Wow Wednesdays, but try it for a week. Like 7 times you go to the grocery store, try bringing your own bags and then maybe reward yourself with some ice cream or something afterwards if you remember to bring your own bag. I'm going to tell Victoria that I would like some ice cream because I bring my own bags to the store. And we want to thank the grocery stores and the restaurant staff and the farmers and the grocery food delivery workers. They're providing a vital service to us during this time. And consider composting at home. We sell compost bins for $60, and it comes with a handy dandy how-to guide in the whole package in your purchase there. And you can come to the landfill site and pick those up. And we have plenty available. And again, that's $60. And we want to thank all of you for helping us reduce what we throw away. Without you, Horry County being a mess. And we appreciate you guys so much for tuning in for Wow Wednesday. And we look forward to you tuning in next week. And thank you for helping us protect tomorrow's environment today. Have a great day, y'all. Bye.